just an introduction before we blow your mind.
What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Sensational Locks, and I am here with another video. I got some new locks, some new locks from somebody else. They're also what?
You gotta see it 3 times.
Why?
Because last time it was new locks because it was new, they was different from the other locks, but now they like new locks.
I got them triple news, okay? Right here, we're going shorter style. They say that these are 14 inches or whatever, but we're gonna get into the deets here in just a moment. Like I was saying, I got some new locks to show y'all, and I got another cousin here for you.
Hey.
Y'all, this is Janiyah. Look at Janiah's hair. She got some wild, crazy colors. Are you gonna get it dyed again?
Probably.
Purple?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, you know that they can do what they. But today we going black. We going 1B. You know? So this company, you can find them on Amazon, and they sent me what you can purchase on Amazon. It's 7 bags of hair, y'all. It's 7 bags of the new lock, just like this. It's 21 locks on the string.
21?
Here with the loophole, you know, the crochet method. It's 21 of these. 21 times 7 is, what's 21 times 7?
147. 147.
147. Is that right? You wanna double check it?
What?
I don't know what my calculator is.
Her calculator can't even work as fast as
There, you can't get to the calculator?
No!
What? Ask Google. Okay, since we can't get to it fast enough, we're gonna agree. So it's 147, and to be honest, I'm not sure that we're gonna use all 7 packs in her hair. Like, yeah, that's a lot. You know, we're not about to.
We don't got a lot of hair.
We ain't gotta overstuff her. Not like that. Okay. But there are some goodies in the bag too, so I'll share those with y'all. I got another latch hook. Like,
I'm gonna use that one.
I can't get enough of these. Now another one. And then they sent some lock jewelry.
Just 1 pack?
It is just one, but it's 2 different colors. It's silver and gold. And then I know these clamps is gonna be really helpful, so I definitely appreciate these. These always come in handy. All right, so now we're gonna prep the hair. We're gonna prep the hair until we can get started. She did bring some spring twist hair that we're gonna wrap around it. Y'all know how the game goes. Okay, so the hair comes on this loop, and it's crochet hair, so it has a loop here. But what's kind of inconvenient about it is the loop is so small, and so you can't really move very quickly with it. So you still have to prep the hair by like opening up the loop more. I've been opening up the loop with a rat tooth comb and then putting it on.
Rat tooth?
Huh? Rat tooth?
Is it a rat tooth or his tail?
Oh.
Dang.
A rat tail comb. It's the rat tail comb. Y'all know what I'm doing. I'm opening it up. I'm giving myself more space so that I can crochet.
I'm just saying, for us who don't know, if you say a rat tooth, we gonna be looking on Google or Amazon talking about rat tooth combs. They was having us looking just as crazy as you.
Oh, okay. Open these up though.
Dang.
All of this hair. Wait till I unleash it. Oof. Crazy. We're about to cover up all of this color with 1B. Let's get it. What's up, y'all? It's me popping in from the future. I just wanted to give you a fair warning, which you probably can already see from the thumbnail. No soft locks occurred in this video. It was a complete fail. The hair is awesome, and what I was able to recreate or create with it, because I ain't never seen this before. What I was able to create with it was fire. But everything that I did here in the next couple minutes was completely unnecessary if you're going for the end result that I had. So yeah, just like, yeah.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right.
So you crochet it through. And then you kind of untwist it so that you can fit your latch hook rather. Whew, don't get me out here doing this shit. You can fit your latch hook through it, and then you can feed the braid through some of the hair, and then just keep doing that. And then obviously we're gonna come back and cover it up. We're gonna use spring twist hair this time versus the free tress hair. So y'all stay tuned for that.
It was all a lie. Guys, it was all a lie. She lied.
So like I was telling y'all, no soft locks occurred here, but something did transpire that came out really cute, and I hadn't seen it before. But I am sad to report that I became really frustrated in the soft locks not working, because the hair that we had, the spring twist hair, it was not looking good at all. And we got through a few locks and I just could not. So I had to quickly think, what can I do now? I got all of this hair crocheted in, what do we do? So I'll try to explain. What I did was take the excess hair of the new lock and fold it up and then wrap it around itself upward the lock. And then I took one of the other loose new locks, and thank God that they sent us 7 packs because we ended up using every single lock. I took another one of those and then I wrapped it around to finish up covering the entire new lock. I hope that makes sense if you guys can see it. I'd be happy to do this style again. Now that I know what I'm doing, I wouldn't waste so much time, but it did come out fly. A link to the hair is down in the description box. Make sure you guys go out and purchase it from them because you have everything that you need for the style, for this new style that I created. If you did, make sure that you subscribe to the channel. And if you like these locks, this sensational creation that we got going on, I'm gonna link the company down below and you can go and get your own. So yeah, hit that like button.
Bye.